Hello, this is Ani once again with the Weekly Market Outlook, this time for the week of November 10th. And welcome to this brief outlook for the markets as I see it. And once again, we are looking at the Dow Jones Industrials, which has continued the rally that it started back down here at the V-shaped recovery. That was in mid-October. Now we're heading for mid-November, and last week I was talking about the possibility of reaching the 750, which obviously seems much closer now than it has been before. And of course, looking at this possibility at the 17.8 and higher, to even the 18,000 maybe before the end of the year. Let's take a look at also the possibility of this reversing, and in which case we're looking at a support area right here at the 17,380 area, and then below that near the 17 or maybe a little bit higher, the 17,200, and then of course the mid 17,100s down here. Now that being said, and also talking about this continued rally possibility, we have to look at these candles as a bit slowing down here. Now, just because it does not mean that there will be further, there won't be further enthusiasm coming up to feed it. And looking at the SPX on that note, it does seem like that the possibility of this hitting this resistance area around the 238 will certainly cause pause and a possible check back down to well, we have a couple of support areas, the 2012, which is not a big deal, the 2000, which is closer to a deal, and of course if we break down below the 1996 area, that would cause a little more check on ourselves as to how far we want to take this. All right, let's take a look at also at the NDX, because although SPX looks like it's in a pause area, the NDX looks like it's confused, and it certainly is caught in between these right here, these resistance lines. It tried to break out here above that. We talked about this I think last week, about possibility of reaching this and then moving in between these slowly up, but it is looks like it is hesitating and moving sideways now. Now if it does break through, I would be looking at the 4207 or the 4200 area for sure, fairly quickly. And then of course if it does break down the other way, then we would be filling this gap most likely, testing these tails once again, and looking for that gap fill. It does eventually come to fill, that's for sure, and then we're looking at near the 4110. Okay, that's basically it for now, and looking maybe a little further out. My article this week is about curbing your enthusiasm. Please read it on my blog, daytradingwithani.com, and we shall see what happens as the days roll on. Good luck in the markets. Trade it well and carefully as always, and I'll talk with you again soon. Bye-bye.